Morning. One of the important things that you must do when you're just about ready to put a final coat on a wall is you must box up all your paint, every bit of paint that you have that you're going to use on those walls or ceilings. You need to box them together so to make sure that when you start cutting in and rolling, it's the same paint. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm about ready to put my final coat on, so I'm ready to cut in with my final colour and then I'll be rolling it. But I can't just use a drum that I was using yesterday or this morning or whatever. I need to mix them all together. It's very important because otherwise you could end up with a different colour cut in. We'll make sure we put all our paint that we've just been using back in. I've got 3 drums here. They're all professional matte that I boxed up yesterday. Now, most people would say, oh, you mixed them yesterday, wouldn't that be enough? No, it's not enough. You must do it every day, and sometimes a couple of times a day, especially when it's got a deeper, darker colour. So we're just going to box all them together. And by doing this, I'm going to make sure that I have a uniform colour from when I'm cutting it and when I'm rolling. Boxing in means mixing all your paints together so you have the right colour. Now I can put some in my pot. Now if I was to come back again tomorrow, I would do the same thing again. Just cover them up. And that's it. Don't forget to do it because it can mean having to repaint your whole house because you didn't follow that simple step. Another helpful tip from the painter.